In this short video, we'll tell you exactly what you need to get started with SpeakWrite. If you don't already have your email and password login, just find your welcome email and click the Set or Reset Password. If you don't have access to this, just email support@speakwrite.com and we can send it to you. Please note that this email is only valid for 24 hours, so if you need a new one resent, just let us know. Once you've set your password, just go to the Apple or Google Play Store and download the SpeakWrite app. Then pull up the app and log in with your email and password. Once you log in, you'll see the microphone button on the first page. To begin recording, just click the microphone and begin speaking. You'll see the detection bar indicating that it is registering sound. To pause or to finish dictation, just click the pause button. You will now see the option to submit your job. You can name the job at this time, or if it's easier, you can elect to use the default file name. You can add any special instructions for the typist and then select if it's a single speaker recording, multi-speaker, or Spanish and click submit. Your job will immediately go into the queue to be typed by a trained and qualified human typist, and your completed job will be delivered as a Word attachment in just a few hours. There's a lot more features that allow you to customize your SpeakWrite experience, but now you know everything you need to know. Be on your way to becoming a SpeakWrite Pro. The best way to become an expert is to submit your first job right away. Think about something you were planning to type today that could be notes from a meeting, an email, or a report, and submit it for transcription instead. It's the fastest way to put what you've learned into action and start saving time. Our YouTube is filled with hundreds of helpful videos to make SpeakWrite your favorite productivity tool. We'll see you next time. Make it easy. Make it SpeakWrite.